After exploring one of the natural wonders of the world in Puerto Princesa, it's time to head to one of the most iconic destinations in the Philippines, El Nido. No trip to the Philippines is truly complete without exploring the beauty of El Nido. And there is a good reason for that. With its stunning landscape, crystal clear water, and otherworldly beaches, it's a paradise like no other. In this episode, I will be sharing my unforgettable experience of island hopping and discovering what makes El Nido so special. El Nido is located in the northern part of Palawan Island, about 260 kilometers from Puerto Princesa. The most cost-effective way to get there from Puerto Princesa is by shared van. The road conditions are good and the van travels quickly. It made one stop halfway through the journey for about 30 minutes to allow passengers to use the restroom and have lunch. The entire trip took around 5 hours.
तो एल निदो में हमारा फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन है नागपान बीच विच इज़ अ वेरी फेमस बीच हियर। तो मेन जो एल निदो टाउन है वहाँ से 20 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है, तो वहाँ से हमने एक स्कूटी रेंट करके आ गया यहाँ पे। तो इट टेक्स अराउंड 30 मिनट्स। रोड कंडीशन वाज वेरी गुड। तो अभी चलते हैं और बीच एक्सप्लोर करते हैं।
Unlike the more crowded spot in El Nido, Nagpan beach is relatively peaceful. We are here in the first week of May and the midday sun is very intense. So if you are planning to visit this time of the year, it's best to come early in the morning or later in the afternoon when the heat eases up. With its 4-kilometer stretch of powdery sand and clear turquoise water, this beach is perfect for swimming, sunbathing or just soaking in the quiet vibe. Also, water is shallow, making it perfect even for kids to swim safely. While Nagpan beach is a standout, the northern part of El Nido is home to several beaches. One of them is Duli beach, just as wonderful as Nagpan beach.
दिस इज़ कॉल्ड दूली बीच। ये और भी नॉर्थ है, मतलब एल निदो से ऑलरेडी हम 20 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ की तरफ जा चुके हैं और वहाँ से और 11 किलोमीटर आओगे तो ये वाला बीच मिलेगा। वैसे ये वाला बीच पूरा खाली है, कोई नहीं है, बट जितना मैंने पढ़ा है गूगल पे कि यहाँ पे सर्फिंग होता है। अब देख ही रहे हो, पता नहीं लोग कैसे यहाँ पे सर्फिंग करते हैं, बट एनीवे बीच इज़ गुड, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्काई इज़ क्लाउडी तो वाटर का जो ब्लू कलर है वो उतना अच्छा यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है। बट बीच इज़ सेम लाइक the Nagpan beach and it is clean and clear.
The water here is so clear, we even spotted a few fish swimming around us. There are many such beaches here in El Nido, are far from the commercial buzz. What you will get here is raw and natural beauty.
Good morning my friends. Today is day 2 of our El Nido trip. And today the plan is we are going for a boat trip which is famous here. So we already arrived here in the agency booking office. So we met our guide. So this is Korong Korong beach. तो यहाँ से अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट होने वाला है। We are going towards the boat that side. So we are on the jetty. और it is around 8 AM early in the morning. तो हमारा जो ट्रिप है वो हमने पर्सनल ट्रिप बुक किया है, मतलब आप शेयरिंग पे भी जा सकते हो। इट कॉस्ट यू अराउंड पर हेड 2000 peso. सो यू हैव टू बी अलॉन्ग विथ अराउंड 20 पीपल्स, बट आई थॉट ऑफ ए प्राइवेट ट्रिप विच कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 12,000 peso for 2 person. So this is our boat and we are about to start our journey from Korong Korong beach.
There are 4 different tour options here, Tour A, B, C and D. Each one takes you to 5 amazing spots. I went with Tour A but added a few custom touches. Right now we are on our way to the highlight of Tour A, the Big Lagoon. Share boat trip usually kicks off around 8:30 to 9 am. So the plan is to reach the Big Lagoon early and soak it all in before the crowd rolling. Big boats can't actually go inside the lagoon, so we had to switch to kayak. It takes about an hour to paddle around and explore the whole area. The shallow crystal clear water surrounded by limestone cliffs on the both sides, it's seriously a breathtaking view. There were just a few boats around, so the place felt super quiet and peaceful. And just a heads up, I was paddling. I just paused to grab some video footages, so don't think I was just chilling while someone else did all the work. On the way back, we ran into the crowd, and wow, what a difference! The same peaceful spot suddenly felt like a fish market. Our guide mentioned that by 11 am, there can be over 500 kayaks here. So, yeah, definitely worth getting early here. After soaking in the stunning view at Big Lagoon, our next stop was the Secret Lagoon. And yes, it's called Secret for a reason. You actually have to squeeze through a narrow little hole to get inside. But once you are in, wow, it's absolutely beautiful. We were lucky enough to have about 10 minutes of peace before a big group showed up. Right next to the Secret Lagoon, there is a small beach, and it's straight out of a postcard. Towering limestone cliffs surrounding the area, making it looks absolutely picture perfect.
तो सीक्रेट बीच हमने देख लिया. अभी हम आगे जा रहे हैं स्नॉर्कलिंग स्पॉट के लिए. तो दिस इज द स्नॉर्कलिंग स्पॉट.
I'm usually more into scuba diving than snorkeling, so I don't snorkel that often. But today was actually pretty fun. The water was super clear and I managed to grab some cool shots while floating around. After snorkeling, we were pretty hungry, so the next planned stop was Simzu Island. But it was packed with people, so our guide made a quick call and took us to a different island instead. And guess what? It was the whole place to ourselves. It was a perfect for a peaceful lunch break.
So वो आ रहा है अपना लंच.
Filipino food has never messed up with my stomach, and yep, it didn't disappoint this time either. Another delicious meal with fish, shrimp, pork, chicken, some fresh fruits, drinks, and of course, the incredible view. After lunch, the last stop of tour A was supposed to be Seven Commandos Beach on the main island. But we tweaked the plan a bit and swapped it to the Entalula Beach, which is actually part of Plan B. We found out it's ranked as the second best beach in the world, so we couldn't resist making the switch.
आप ये सोच रहे हो कि फिर तो यहाँ पे जितने भी अच्छे स्पॉट है हम एक पर्सनल बोट लेके सारे जगह ऐसे ही घूम सकते हैं, पर ऐसा नहीं है. मैंने ट्राई किया था, मैंने बहुत जगह पे बात किया, तो वो लोग ऐसे बोल रहे हैं कि आपको एक प्लान स्टिक करके चलना पड़ेगा और दूसरे प्लान से एक दो पॉइंट आप उसमें ऐड कर सकते हो. बिग लेगून प्लान ए में आता है, तो लोग प्लान ए ही चूज़ करते हैं.
तो बिग लेगून के साथ मैंने बोला था कि स्मॉल लेगून भी लेंगे, इंतालुला आइलैंड लेंगे और एक स्पॉट है यहाँ का जो बेस्ट है, एक स्नेक आइलैंड है। पर वो बोला नहीं, वो चारों जो पॉइंट है वो 4 अलग अलग प्लान के हैं, तो यू कांट जस्ट क्लब ऑल टुगेदर लाइक दैट। जैसे मैंने प्लान ए लिया और प्लान बी से एक पॉइंट उसमें इंक्लूड किया, बस इतना ही पॉसिबल है, इससे ज़्यादा आप कस्टमाइज़ इसको नहीं कर सकते। और ए पे और एक पॉइंट आता है जो मेन लैंड पे है, वो है 7 कमांडोज़ बीच। वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है। पर बात ये है कि वो मेन लैंड पे है, तो हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम कायाक लेके कल शायद वहाँ पे जाएंगे। तो प्लान में मतलब बोट में जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। एनीवे, तो मेरा ये अभी लास्ट पॉइंट है, तो हम यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर तक रहेंगे, थोड़ा चिल करेंगे और बस ऐसा ही है।
After a full day of amazing activities, we returned to Korong Korong beach around 5:30 in the evening, just in time to catch the golden hues of the sunset in El Nido beach. So we are back from our island tour and this is the famous El Nido beach. This place is little crowded क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग यहीं पे आसपास होटल में रहते हैं। Once it gets dark, you can just wander through the narrow streets of El Nido. There is a chill vibe with plenty of cafes, bars, and little souvenir shops, something for everyone. Hello friends, today is our third day in El Nido. So now we are on our way to 7 Commando beach और पापाया बीच, और अभी हम कायाक रेंट करके जा रहे हैं।
You can rent kayak directly from Korong Korong beach for around 400 to 500 pesos per day. It is a great way to explore the stunning coastline at your own pace. Although Papaya and 7 Commandos beach are located on the main island of El Nido, they are only accessible by boat due to the surrounding terrain. अभी हम यहाँ से जाएंगे आगे 7 कमांडो बीच। सो दिस इज़ पापाया बीच। एक्चुअली दीज आर जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर। आप वो रॉक देख रहे हो, वो रॉक बीच में है, बस उस रॉक के उस पर ही है 7 कमांडो बीच। तो ये है 7 कमांडोज बीच, one of the famous beach of El Nido main island. वैसे पापाया बीच पे तो कोई फैसिलिटी नहीं है, यहाँ पे आप देखो सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, कोकोनट वाटर, इवन ड्रिंक्स भी आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे। If you have extra time and energy, consider paddling out to Kadlao Island, where you can find some hidden lagoons and quiet beaches. जब यहाँ आए थे बस टोटल कुल मिला के 5-10 लोग ही थे। Now you see that it is crowded like anything. At least 200 people are there around and so many boat arrive. These are tourist boat. तो ये लोग प्लान ए में है और इन लोगों का फर्स्ट पॉइंट है 7 कमांडो बीच। For 7 Commando beach, you just rent a kayak and come here by yourself. That is a much better idea. And with this, our El Nido trip ends. We couldn't visit all the places here, but enough for our 2 days trip in El Nido. Even this is the last place in our Philippines trip as well. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And see you somewhere else.